Myanmar began its economic transition in 2011 when a military-backed civilian government opened the country to foreign investments. Viewed as the next big thing, foreign businesses poured billions of dollars into its energy, manufacturing, transport, and communication sectors. Over the past years, FDI became a major engine of Myanmar's growth, accounting for more than a third of its GDP in 2019. According to the World Bank, 35% of foreign investments in Myanmar either comes from or is funneled through Singapore, making the city-state the largest foreign investor in Myanmar. The recent military takeover, however, has brought the business community here what they fear most: uncertainty. Rains and Partners is a government affairs and political risk analysis firm in Southeast Asia, handling billions of dollars worth of projects for foreign clients in Myanmar.
If you have built up an operation in Myanmar, you clearly believe in the potential of the country in the short or the long term. If you suddenly see everything go out of the window, you have no idea what you're dealing with. Foreign businesses are very concerned, and so are we, about our staff.
The economic uncertainty has also led to a pullback on investments, at least in the short term.
We are working with several clients, and the total investment is several billions of dollars. That's all on hold. Under the current circumstances, nobody is going to put additional money into Myanmar because there's simply too much uncertainty. So everybody is waiting to see how this will play out.
Another area of concern are international sanctions from the US and the European Union.
There are actually two types of sanctions. One is more specific sanctions. Some countries have very particular sanctions on the military leaders in terms of freezing their assets. I think what is actually more worrisome would be the broader sanctions, the general sanctions that might have direct impact on the business behavior of the investing companies.
Over the last decade, Myanmar's economy has grown at an average of 7% a year. But in light of the military takeover as well as the pandemic, most analysts have slashed its growth forecast to 2% for 2021. The real economic impact, however, will only be clear once the political climate in Myanmar returns to a sense of normality. Mirolu, CGTN, Singapore.